I'm gonna show you another house. It's for sale and below market price. This REO opportunity brings us to Jamaica, Queens. And this particular area has seen dramatic price increases. Over the last 2 years, the median home sale price has gone up approximately $100,000. So we're in Jamaica, and when you see me in a park with a pond, you think Baisley Pond Park. But this park here is known to very few, and it is a wonderful gem. Welcome to Springfield Park. Located nearby this home, you'll find yourself with several bus lines that'll take you straight to the AirTran or even JFK. It also is connecting you to Jamaica Parsons, where you have many of the subway lines and the Long Island Railroad. Welcome to 16922 144th Road in Jamaica. This home features a nice sized backyard that has so much potential. Beyond this backyard, you'll find yourself with this great private driveway. All right, here she is. Let's see what we're gonna find inside. Okay, so upon entry, you're immediately greeted with an open porch area. This used to probably be an enclosed porch. Right over here, we have a closet. This is likely the closet that's utilized to hang up your coats. And then on this side, we're walking into the kitchen. You can set up eat-in stations, open this wall up, really create yourself an open environment. Over here, and this is a half a bath, or a third of a bath. There's no sink inside this bath. I don't know why. Over here you have the kitchen area. So this kitchen space here, I see a gas stove. By the looks of it, there was some pretty good recipes happening. The master bedroom is ample in space. And this part of the house here comes with its own doorway leading you to the backyard. Okay, I just came up from the basement. I'm gonna want you to come over and take a look at it. It's an open layout, it's got a bathroom, but there's so much potential. I think you can come up with something good. Let's take this upstairs, and what we should be finding ourselves with is 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and the attic. This is 1 out of the 3 bedrooms that you'll find on this floor. Feel free to walk around, enjoy the tour. There's so much positivity and potential in this home that it's talking to you. The writing is literally on the wall. And this is the attic. Come upstairs, take a look at it for yourself. So thanks for taking a tour of this REO opportunity. Remember, give us a call for your own appointment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be seeing you back in the neighborhood.